Selecting a course and to make your career, it completely depends upon your area of interest and your passion. And I will always advise my students to follow their dreams and passion. Today in this video, I would like to share 8 points why it's good to choose nursing as your career. So without delaying, let me start with the first point: to serve humanity. Many students wish to do something for others too. Nursing is such a blessed career that with your career itself, you can do something for the betterment of others too. In the last video, the life journey of Florence Nightingale, we know the Nightingale also have the same vision. She wants to serve humankind. That's why she chose nursing. So, by providing proper nursing care, by interacting with the patients, yes, we can provide very nice services to the humankind. That is the first point, to serve humanity. Second point, opportunities for learning are endless. After getting a graduation certificate, our learning is not stopping there. Each and every day, in some or other forms, we have to update our knowledge. Every day, new diseases, new advancement, technologies, treatment modalities, everything is coming up. So it is mandatory for the nurses to update their knowledge in order to provide quality nursing care to the patients. Number 4, ongoing demand for nurses. We know that each and every year, the demand for the nurses are very high or increasing day by day or year by year. Very good example is there in the COVID-19 situation or the pandemic situation also. The demand for nurses was very high. So both in India and abroad, the opportunities for nurses are too high. So that's why the nurses are always having ongoing demands. And moving to the fourth point, that is high salary. Nursing is one of the courses that is offering very nice salary packages. Yes, it will change little bit institution-wise, organization-wise, or the career-wise, or your job responsibilities-wise. But yes, it is sure the nursing is offering very nice salary packages both in India and abroad. And next, the fifth point, that is the career mobility. The nurses can work in wide variety or wide areas. For example, they can work in public health. If they want to move to abroad, they can move to abroad. And if someone is thinking, I don't want to continue in the clinical side and I want to divert to the teaching side, yes, of course, they can work as a nurse educator and all. So that is why the nursing is having a high opportunities for the career mobility. And next is sixth point, that is job satisfaction. As we are providing direct patient care to the patient, always we are mingling with the patient. So we used to get job satisfaction from our job. For example, we are caring a patient for 2 days and their health status is improving day by day. And they are happy because of your treatment, because of your care. Or at the end of the discharge day or at the time of discharge, they are coming and saying with a smiling face, that will give you much positivity and much job satisfaction. So nursing is a career which we will get job satisfaction. And next is this seventh point, the nurses is having or nurses can apply for specialization. What is the meaning of the specialization? We know that there are so many courses out there in the nursing. Suppose we are taking the graduation courses. So we have to learn so many subjects in that. So each and every person or each and every nurse have the interest in particular areas. So according to our area of interest, we can specialize in that particular areas in our masters and all. For example, obstetrics and gynecology nursing, child health nursing, mental health nursing, medical surgical nursing. So like that of specializations are there. So if I am interested in obstetrics and gynecology nursing, I can specialize in OBG nursing. And in medical surgical nursing, there's sub-specific specialization also there, like neurosciences, critical care, cardiothoracic, etc. So according to our area of interest, we can specialize wherever we want. And moving to the eighth point, that is, the nurses can bring a positive change in someone's life. Actually, this is a part of job satisfaction. So, because all the time, or we can say 24 into 7, the nurses are with the patient. So, with the help of our therapeutic communication or how we are interacting with the patient, so we can develop a positive attitude in the patient, even though their condition is a hopeless one. So, nurses can bring a light of hope in a patient face. So, that is why we can bring a positive change in someone's life. So, that is such a nice thing that a person can do for others. So, these are the 8 points which I feel it's good to choose nursing as a career. So, coming to the end, I want to ask one question. Maybe that question is arising in your mind also. Is the nursing course is an easy one? Is the nursing course is an easy one? Absolutely. My answer is nursing course is not easy. Yes, it's not easy. But it's not tough too. It's just a challenging and need hard work. We all know that nothing is impossible for us. Nothing is impossible for us if we are determined and if we are ready to give our 100% effort for that. So I wish you all the best. So always remember, if anyone is saying to you, nursing is very difficult, don't go for that. It's not like that. It's not tough if you are ready to give your 100% effort, and if you are having that interest to learn, and if you are ready to provide services for others, and if you are really wishing for job satisfaction, and then yes, it's a very nice course to choose. Bye, take care, see you in another video.